Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is another review and unboxing of an AIORIA case for the Google Pixel 6a. Now, as you may have seen in our last AIORIA review of a case for the Google Pixel 6a, I had completely forgotten about the fact that I had ordered some cases on AliExpress, and they arrived the other day, all 4 of them. So this is the second of 4, and the last video will actually be a double unboxing and review, because it's 2 Mocodile cases, but not any Mocodile cases, camouflage Mocodile cases. So here we have the AIORIA case. This is a textured material back to pretty much the same case that we saw, which was the Plood one. This is a plastic wood one, whereas this is actually soft fabric. It's not as soft as the other fabric case we've covered for the Google Pixel 6a, slightly harder, but still soft to the touch. And as we can see, it's got AIORIA branding embossed in the material. But first things first, let's put the Google Pixel 6a into the device. Now, first impressions are that, just like the other one, this does not really add any bulk to the device. It keeps its relatively slimline, and just as with the other case, the depth of the camera module cover isn't a lot, but it's something. It's better than nothing, and so I'm quite happy with that. And as usual, there is the soft material, but then there's the sort of rubberized TPU side, which offers some impact protection. And at the bottom we can see there's the appropriate cutouts for the speakers and the USB Type-C port. At the top there's a cutout for the microphone hole. There's no cutout on the left hand side. On the right hand side we have our lanyard space, so this is for a wrist strap or a lanyard. You have the option to put that on in this case. And then we have the raised button extensions for power and volume rocker. So let's see how that works. So power on works great, exactly as expected. Let's see about the volume rocker. No stickiness, it's working fine. And oops, say hello, Teal'c. This is my kitten Teal'c. He's black, so he blends into my desk. He's come to say hello. Hello, Teal'c. Yes, good. There you go. You've had some tail in this video as well. Even more tail. Right, so where was I? Yes, we're quite happy with the lack of stickiness in the buttons. The screen seems to be slightly raised, and if we look at it at the side, there's around about 0.5 millimeter of raising of the screen. So if you put your phone down on a flat surface like this one, you're less likely to damage it. So overall, I would recommend this, especially considering that I purchased this for around about £3 sterling on AliExpress. So I'll link in the description to where you can purchase this case here on the AliExpress website. And if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, pretty much anything we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching, and goodbye from me.